Who understands the sentence for white? Okay, practice this with me. Who. And it's an L hand, and you're going to curl your first finger here. So who, understands, under, stand, understand, understands, the, sentence, so you have your G hand here, and you're going to place it on your first finger, like so, and you're going to bring it out twice. Sentence, for, your first finger touches your forehead on the same side, and then it just swings straight out. For, white. Your hand is open and it comes out and closes again when it comes away from your body. And it does this twice, and they're short, fast movements. So, white. Okay, say it with me. Ready? Who understands the sentence for white? Or, who understands the sentence for white?